You guys might be wondering why we're dressed like this.
We are getting ready to travel around the world through cocktails.
Obviously. First stop on our world travels is a place known for their scenic landscapes. You can basically go terrain hopping here. They have volcanoes, beaches, rainforests.
This is a popular honeymoon destination. Just picture being with that romantic somebody and kissing under a waterfall. So if you can't tell, this cocktail was inspired by Hawaii.
Feeling the romance in the air. Wanna make out? The lava in this cocktail is a strawberry coconut rum puree. Blend that up, pour it into your glass, and set that aside.
Now for the flowy second part of this cocktail, we're going to be adding 1 cup of ice, 1 whole banana, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of coconut cream.
It is actually amazing. So delicious.
And now we're off to a luau.
Second stop.
Here you can find snake charmers in the streets. Beautiful, intricate, colorful, detailed architecture.
They're known for their Moorish doors. They're the perfect photo op. I mean, I want to take a picture in front of these, you know what I'm saying?
The Medinas here are full of marketplaces where you can shop for handmade goodies, rugs, jewelry, teapots.
And if you're a fan of Sex and the City, you know exactly what we're talking about. Morocco.
The main ingredient in this cocktail is the Moroccan mint tea. So in Morocco, you can visit their tea houses where they will serve you their mint tea. Now, normally it comes hot, but we decided to make an iced version and spike it with some peach crown.
My go-to tea for when I'm hot. Bothered.
Yeah, when you're going through the desert, this would definitely quench that thirst.
Yeah.
We actually made the mint tea from scratch. First, we boiled 2 cups of water. Then we added gunpowder green tea. I was able to find this on Amazon and it came in 2 days. Next, we did a large handful of mint leaves. And then the last ingredient to make the tea is sugar. Turn the heat off, cover that up, and let it steep for at least 5 minutes. Once it cools, you're gonna pass that through a fine mesh strainer, throw it in the fridge, and let it get nice and cold.
So for this recipe, we're gonna start off with 4 ounces of green mint tea. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of ground peach. We thought it would go perfect for this tea cocktail. We garnished the glass with lemon wheels and we topped it off with a mint sprig.
It's delicious.
It really is so freaking good.
And now with a refreshing cocktail in hand, we are ready to go shopping. And maybe explore the desert. I don't know, you wanna go explore the desert?
I'm down for whatever, let's go.
Third stop. This next cocktail will take you to a place that's known for their beautiful white buildings and blue doors.
This cocktail will make you feel like a god.
Or goddess.
Oh my god, I didn't actually think that would work.
Feeling like a goddess. You can call me Aphrodite.
I'm Athena.
The main ingredient in this Greek-inspired cocktail is ouzo. Ouzo is a popular aperitif in Greece. And if you like licorice, you're gonna like this cocktail. This cocktail calls for 1 cup of frozen honeydew. We're going to sweeten this cocktail up with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Our citrus in this cocktail is 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of ouzo,
Pour this cocktail from your blender straight to your serving glass. Now we're gonna garnish with a mint sprig and this beautiful pink flower found all throughout Greece. Oh no, we're mortals again.
Next stop.
Fourth stop.
You may already know our next destination just by the name of this cocktail.
One sip of this cocktail and you will be transported to the largest rainforest in the entire world.
This cocktail is a carnival in a cup.
That was exhausting.
Can you guess where this cocktail took us?
It is Brazil in a cup. Obviously Brazil is known for their caipirinha, so we had to make a caipirinha.
First, you're gonna take half of a lime, chop it up, throw it in your cup, and pour 4 teaspoons of sugar over that.
Add a quarter of a passion fruit, 2 ounces of cachaça, and shake that up real good.
You're gonna roll your cocktail directly into your serving glass, garnish it with a lime wheel, and it's time to samba. Woo. Fifth stop. And we're off to Southeast Asia. Here you can find thick jungles, crystal blue beaches, and you can stay at a beachfront bungalow.
You can find yourself bathing elephants during the day, and at night, hit up a full moon party. What do people do at raves?
This is our take on the Sang Som bucket. You can find these in the streets of Thailand.
The key ingredient to this cocktail is Thai basil. So now we're gonna fill up our bucket with ice and we're gonna add 2 whole cans of ginger beer.
Traditionally, these are served with Sang Som Thailand rum, but we couldn't get our hands on it, so we went for the next best thing, Bacardi Gold.
These are so fun and delicious, you guys. Like, if there's a full moon, you have to get your buckets out that night. Have yourself a little full moon party. So if you try any of these cocktails, we're wishing you safe travels and let us know how it goes.
We miss you already. Be sure to hit that bell and come see us again soon.
Cheers! We're still here. Don't think we have stopped because we haven't. How does one stand if you're a goddess?
Like, sassy as fuck.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Wanna go explore the desert?
Let's do it all.
Aye.
Well, I'm going, okay, we're going that way.